Hey gamers, are you looking for the ultimate wireless headphones for your gaming sessions? Then you need to check out the TONLISH INVA-S Aero 3 TWS Gaming Esports wireless headphones. These are not your ordinary earphones. They are made of metal. They have a gyroscope design that lets you rotate them like a fidget spinner. And they have a cool indicator light that shows your battery level. But that's not all. They also have Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and stable connection, 6mm moving coil for HiFi stereo sound, HD noise reduction microphone for clear communication, and IPX5 waterproof rating for sweat resistance. And they come with a charging case that gives you up to 6 hours of music time. So what are you waiting for? Grab your pair of TONLISH INVA-S 03 wireless headphones today and enjoy the best gaming experience ever. Visit our website now and get a special discount while stocks last.